Hey guys, this is our very last math lesson. We are finishing the book today. It is crazy. Tomorrow you will take your final test. Originally, I had said Mrs. Millard wanted you to take the next level up test, but she thought that was because we had run out of tests to take. So we're just gonna take the test that you were supposed to take tomorrow. That is your final math test. Take your time. If you have questions, ask them, okay? But how exciting that we're finishing our math book. Just like I told my homeroom students, I am putting grades in for report cards Friday. So everything you want credit for has to be turned in by Friday, like 5 p.m. Friday, no later, if you want credit for that assignment, because report cards are being submitted. So yeah, everything needs to be in by then. All right, so lesson 140, we're going to talk about locating points on a coordinate graph, part 2. A coordinate graph often includes negative numbers as well as positive numbers. So last time we kind of just had a little portion of the graph, and today we're going to take the whole portion of the graph. I want you to know these last several lessons will be repeated next year when you are in math again. The year will start out and you'll repeat all of these. So it feels like the last lessons are going a little bit quickly, but for sure, they will be repeated. You will get all of this again next year. So don't feel worried that they're going too fast, okay? So we remember that on a number line, we have 0. So when we have a coordinate graph, we actually have 2 points that intersect. I'm going to draw it out for you. And the number of lines intersect at the coordinates 0, 0. That is their measurement, and that is called the origin. So that is the point where everything starts and you count from there. Remember, X is always the number we do first, and it is on our horizontal line. Y is the number we do second, and it is on our vertical line. Okay, so we start from the origin to locate points on the graph. If the first number of the coordinate of the point is positive, we move to the right, just like on a number line. Just like on a number line, let me draw it actually. So just like on a number line, if this is 0, we know that our positive numbers go to the right, okay? And if it's a negative number, we go to the left, just like on a number line. So our x-axis, our horizontal line, positive to the right, negative to the left. Now the intersecting line that goes through 0, that is vertical, that's our y-axis. We make the 0 a little bigger. It's a little squat, it's not even for sure. Any number, and this is just like a thermometer. Okay, any number that goes up is positive, and any number that goes down is negative, just like on a thermometer. Okay, so to the right, positive. Up, positive. So all the numbers in here, in this region, would have a positive x and a positive y. Okay? If we go down here, all these numbers would have a positive x, but then in this region, so in this region here, this region, they would have a negative y because it goes down. Now, if we come over this way, we have a negative x, and then if we go up, we would have a positive y. So that's the region that fills in here. And if we go this way and down, we have a negative x and a negative y. So hope that helps you guys understand where we're seeing things. And then you just map things out on the planes. Okay, so let me show you. We're going to do all of these numbers, positive 4, positive 2, positive 4, negative 2, negative 4, positive 2, negative 4, negative 2. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we're going to start here and go positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my x. I always do that first, and then I go up to 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That is positive 4, positive 2. Next, we're going to do positive 4, negative 2. So we go over, our x is positive, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is negative, we go down 1, 2. So we have positive 4, negative 2. Okay, let's try negative 4, positive 2. Let me erase these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went over negative 4, but now we're going to go up positive 2. So this is negative 4, positive 2. And then let's go negative 4, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, that's big. Okay, negative 4 and negative 2. All right. So for your, now if we were in classroom, you guys would actually have graph paper to be doing this. So in your book, it has everything graphed out for you. It has like a piece of graphing paper, and then it asks you to name letters, excuse me, on certain points. So just look at that graph. You guys will need to do 4, 5, and 6. So let's see, it's at 140, it's even. So you would be doing 4 and 6 anyways, just do 5 as well. You don't need to do practice, let's see, actually, yes, do practice problems as well. That will help you get some practice. And then set 140, your last math set. All right, and then math 76, your last math set is actually 138 Roman numerals. Oh my goodness, I know you guys are pros at this already. Because we've talked about this. So the Roman numerals, we know you can only have 3 in a row of the same number before it has to switch to another number. So our 1s are all I, but you can only have 3 in a row before you have to get another number. So we have 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and then 1000. But we've done these in class, so I think you guys will actually be really good at these. And then we remember when we do numbers like 4, we do 1 down from 5. Numbers like 9, we do 10 and then 1 down from 10. So pretty much they just want you on your practice problems. There are a lot of them, but because I know we've done these as mental math, I'll just have you do, let's just have you do 12 through 16 for your practice problems. And because there are a million, I'm sorry, those are just examples. Okay, let's try GHI PQR. GHI PQR for practice problems. And then on your set 138, you have evens or all. And I don't see one that has, let me double check. So 138, even or all. All right, guys, again, let me know if you have any questions on this or any of your corrections, because we are at the end and tomorrow is your final test. So please let me know if there's anything I can help you with before you take that test. Thank you so much. Have a great day.